We're going to go right to that first full paragraph. Not only thought impulses which have been mixed with faith, but those which have been mixed with any of the positive emotions or negative emotions may reach and influence the subconscious mind. Now, on the right-hand side there, you can see I was actually taking notes a long time ago when I first picked up this copy. The negatives and the positive ones are cut off on the left-hand side, but the right-hand side, fear, jealousy, hatred, revenge, greed, superstition, anger, all those things. When your thoughts are emotionalized with those negative states, that's what's being produced in your subconscious mind. That's what's being drawn in. And that's why you keep experiencing rude people, or that's why you keep experiencing that person or this person or all these things. Okay, it's not the person, it's just inside. Okay, I keep saying it, but there's so many harsh truths sometimes that says, you know, when somebody defends their belief, they'll blame somebody else if something's not happening. You see it all the time. Okay, if something isn't going right for somebody, instead of saying, I think something's going on here, most times they will immediately lash out at somebody else because they're trying to protect their belief system and their self-esteem and their ego and everything else that goes with that. Okay? They don't want to look within. They think it's something else that's influencing their success. And that's what goes on when you're very emotionally involved with those negative emotions. You will protect your belief system, and how somebody protects their belief system is justifying through blame on something else. Now, it doesn't always have to be terrible blame, but they justify their belief based on some circumstance. Okay, that's what happens. I can't do this right now because this, and this. I don't have time. I don't have money, all those simple things. I don't have this, I don't have that. It's not because of those things, but they will justify why they believe they can't do it. Instead of being open up to saying, I can do it, how can I, right? Now, most people are on this call are completely on the other perspective, but I hope that helps you see sometimes, because I've caught myself do it, say, I'm justifying why I can't do this. And then I say, what the hell am I doing? And justifying my belief system isn't going to help me, it's going to hinder me. Okay. Hope that makes sense. Okay, we're going to do one more paragraph, then we're going to take a really good break here and make sure we're applying this. From this statement, you understand that the subconscious mind will translate into its physical equivalent a thought impulse of a negative or destructive nature just as readily as it will act upon thought impulses of positive or constructive nature. This accounts for the strange phenomena which so many millions of people experience, referred to as misfortune or bad luck. My God, I wish I knew this so long ago. For the longest time, before I knew this information, I felt always victimized. I felt like things were always happening to me. And then sometimes we would even call out like, God, what the hell? Why does this keep happening? Why does this keep happening to me? Why is it me? Man, that happens a lot, especially when somebody doesn't know this information yet. Okay, why me? Why is this always happening to me? Why? You know, it's almost like you're screaming out to this God on a cloud and saying, what the hell? Why do you keep doing this to me? Feels victimized, right? Feels like there's bad luck or there's misfortune. It says, why did that person have it so easy? This, that, the other thing. Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. There is no other. The power is not saying you get this bullshit and you get this good stuff. It's not how it's happening. And when we understand that, it's liberation. That's the key. That's the truth. That's the key to your freedom, is saying, it's me. I create my luck. I create it through my thoughts, through what I get emotionally involved with. And if I change what I'm getting emotionally involved with, it will be a challenge, but I will be rewarded. I will find that I actually am indeed a great person that experiences good things all the time. When you start to believe that, your consciousness starts to arrange itself based on that belief, and you will experience that in your physical life. I know, I experienced it. I started to tell myself every day, I expect good things to happen to me every day. And the little things just start to pop up. You see physical evidence. You see people smiling at you more. You see very, very nice people, and you're like, have these people always been here? And then I hear other people always having this crud going on in their life, and I'm like, I never have that. I don't even, you know, and then I think back, I'm like, oh, well, Of course I know why. Okay. So sometimes it can feel that you're victimized, that you're always in this. But when you accept it as, well, I'm probably doing this, then you can change it. You don't have to persuade a God, a universal power to give you something better. You do it. All right, like I said, we're going to take a good pause here. Okay, going through a lot of consume, internal. It's the same idea. We just keep repeating over and over and over. Okay. Any call for questions really quick? And then if not, we're just going to take a little pause and make sure everyone's got the application of these principles. Any questions? Anything at all? Good. Everyone got it? Probably liberating going through Think and Grow Rich after all this program stuff, because you look at this and you get it so fast. Everyone alive? Give me a quick hand raise before we take a pause here. Cool. Almost all the hands. I always wonder what those couple of people are doing. Nancy says, got it, and I'm alive. Well, that's a good thing. Love it. All right. Let's take a little pause here. How are you going to apply this? We've already been applying it because we've been affirming and repetitiously hearing the same thing over and over and over, the same paragraphs, pretty much, same words. What are you going to do a little bit differently after this call, though? We're coming to a wrap-up here. It's 45 minutes into the call. What's going to be different? Make a little note for yourself. Make a little decision. I'm going to do this instead of what I've been doing. Maybe you've been putting too much blame on outside circumstances. You say, I'm just going to, damn right, who the hell cares about all this stuff going on here? I'm going to take control of this. Okay. And I want you to think about that for about a minute. Okay. We're not going to put any music, just good, nice little moment here.